Thank y'all tuning in to In the Kitchen. We got it on like, not even medium, kind of low. About that. Here's a video I've been supposed to make for a year. It's New Year's Eve. We're gonna start it out right with an episode of In the Kitchen, showing y'all how to make crawfish etouffee. Get you one big can of this and a small can cream of mushroom. 2 cans of Rotel. I love you too. 1 pack of green onions. I love you too. 2 packs of frozen crawfish. I got this at Walmart. That's what's the China kind, but if I'd have went to a local grocery store, I could have got the Louisiana kind. And an onion. But we're gonna make this with rice, potato salad. I got a lot of stuff to do. It's gonna take a while, but first we're gonna start off with chopping some stuff up.
Enigma TV presents In the Kitchen with Hurricane Ronnie.
But it's going down this year. I'll tell you this year. I got battery to be fucked around. Documents, stories, records, living items that eventually broke their way to the top of our collective consciousness. Theory and assumptions quickly inch closer from fiction to fact. It is perhaps by piecing these minuscule clues together one by one that we start to solve the puzzle. Join us in Mysteries of the Universe, a Dharma Initiative. About to get busy cutting potato. Turned it up, so I should have stopped it earlier. It was perfect earlier, but I'm gonna try to cook it down some. better keep it. Here's some deviled eggs. See the salad. Ate a bunch of these crescent rolls. I'm not even hungry no more. Crawfish etouffee. It took a long time. Not really long, but. And it's just for me in summer. That's gonna last us a few days. I won't have to cook with New Year's. I'm gonna have to wait a few days. It's just me in summer. I could have made one pack, but it's like it's hard for me to cook. Like when I cook, it always lasts a few days, and if it lasts past a few days, the dog needs some food. There we go. Crawfish etouffee over right. Potato salad, deviled egg, crescent rolls. Now y'all can do this. This came all from a single dad on a mission. Yeah. See you next time, bitch. Just to give an update, this is the best crawfish etouffee I ever. Man, and they sell this in restaurants. Maybe I should be opening a restaurant.